People, welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. 2 for 1. Now we are just doing a research on a human trafficking video, so I noticed it scarce lately on YouTube. Get up, all heap of information. People need to know this thing at work. Spooky. And the different forms we take on because most people don't realize. Right? So there's a touch of modern day slavery attached to this whole human trafficking thing. With this video so, at face value it might look like it left field, but it really ties back into nothing we talk about. This Iron Man is one of the richest, well not one of, clearly, judging by this list, the richest poor country on earth. When I say Iron Man is a poor suffering and tell us Iron Man poverty. When Jamaicans use the word poor, most time they mean them broke. The difference between broke and extreme poverty. Broke, temporary. Now you have money, the next week you're broke, then you get my money again, then you're broke again, and you have money and you're broke again. The poverty we only claim say cause murder rate, the way them talk about it, or the poverty we don't even sure if you're going to make it next week because you might dead if you're hungry. That the hungry that I talk about, okay, in Jamaica. That's a narrative. Jamaica is the richest poor country in the world. This chart prove it. Empirical data, not gathered by no local YouTuber. This is how much food is wasted per person around the world. On this list, Jamaica is 4th. We're up there with the big boys. We made it. Give yourself a round of applause. Do the video on the whole bossy funeral thing. Jamaicans are outspend the Ministry of National Security. Jamaicans outspend the Ministry of Health, Education, Agriculture. Just name it. Jamaicans are outspended on bossy funeral. I asked the question many times, how can people who are so desperately poor and suffer so much that they can't put one slice of bread in their mouth, so that's why they have to take up gun and kill people now. When that same somebody dead is buried like the great king of Zamunda. Only see how much billions a year Jamaicans spend on bossy funeral. When me want to show me how much billions a year they spend on party, why don't I want to get out of one day? Me want to see how much money Jamaicans spend annually on party. Because we tell you say Jamaica is entertainment capital. People can't find money to go doctor, can't find money to pay the school fee, can't find money to pay the textbook. But you best believe when that party keep, you best believe when that concert keep, man I reach. And they have to go factor how much in pay for in clothes, because now wearing no old clothes go there. How much in pay for in shoes. And the hairstyle, you have to go rental one car and now rent nothing cheap. Right. And if you have a car, you have to go full the tank. And when you reach how much you spend on liquor. Yeah. So it's just not adding up. These some of the poorest people in the world. Allegedly. Look on the list now. Total annual household food wasted produced in selected countries. So this is a big study by the United Nations. Right. It was just over 100 countries. You know, so there's about 200 countries in the world. The study was just over 100 countries. Right. It's an annual study. For 2024, Iron Man made it. Made it on the list. They're going to even show you how them collect the data. But let's look on this. Per person. Because I say, when you look on the study, you know, say countries like China, United States, India, them countries with hundreds of millions and billions of people, them are going to have the most food wastage. Because it's simply a whole heap of people. But to get an accurate breakdown, right, so you can know what go on in the country, them are small, medium and large, you have to break it down per person, per household. Just like you do per capita. Number 1 on the list for 2024. Saudi Arabia, oil-rich Saudi Arabia have money for dash way. That would make sense. Boy, so much money, the island money, that's a dash of food all about the place. And they'll be some more food again. Next up, we have Qatar, another oil-rich nation. Boy, that makes sense. There's so much money, that's a dash of food about the place. And they'll be some more food, that's a waste food. Next up, Australia, big, rich, developed country. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, man, that's a dash of food all about the place. For next up, Ireland. Ghana had the world for themselves too. Then we have Canada, UK, US. Per person, Ironman outshine America. For wasting food, per person, Ironman beat America. Americans are some of the most wasteful people I've ever seen in my life. Americans dash your food with America treat food like say and eat it. And Ironman beat them. New Zealand, Japan, these are big developed countries. Look at Ironman, sprawled off. 4th place, we almost made it on the podium. Look at the actual numbers. 189.6 pounds wasted. Right, remember, and break it down by household. Let's give or take 10-20 pound difference between some big oil-rich country. These are the richest poor people on earth. You get away with the talk about poverty, make them kill people. I waste food for fun. I waste food for fun. It says the household study in Jamaica took food waste samples. Cause I'm gonna read the article. You know? Well, I'm gonna read the study now. Whole heap reading. Right. No, so I founded upon a reading thing like that, so take out the points and relevant to Jamaica. The household study in Jamaica took food waste samples of 250 kilograms each from 4 waste disposal sites from trucks collecting waste from households, 1 in each watershed in Jamaica, over 3 seasons. The results present weighted averages for Jamaica as a whole. The representative samples and adjustment mean that this method will be suitable for tracking food waste over time. In the study, you realize how them get Ironman one. Ironman is one of the most accurate one out of all of them do. Because for some countries, them they even have to use estimates from like business place to throw food. The one them doing Ironman is household. You want to know how them do it? Look on your screen. Samples were taken over 3 seasons. Moderately wet, wet and dry. I know seasons might affect whether food get preserved or dashed or more. At 4 waste disposal sites. Listen to how them do it. Bike men followed the collection trucks on their route to record the number of households and, where possible, number of residents to derive kilogram per capita estimates. In total, 102 samples of household were taken across the 3 seasons. Some of the results are presented as both household and ICI, but Appendix 3 splits out the composition into subcategories for households separately. Results taken from the weighted averages for Jamaica are a whole and presented in the report. The report also found that there was no correlation between income group and per capita food waste generation. This is for the world in general. In other words, them did not go in thinking, so well, people from a rich area would waste more food, and then people from like poor areas would be less, wasteful. They found out there was no difference, meaning poor waste food as much as the rich. Fascinating. Fascinating. Whether it's poor, middle class, or rich, this food wasting was consistent across the board. There was no correlation from the income group. I think so just be rich people that share food, right? But people are starved to death, not themselves. Everybody are starved to death, no food not there. No food not there. The food are waste. Food are waste. That's the report on your screen. Bite man, father back of the dumper chop them. Go garbage disposal. Can you imagine that there probably a good amount of money them have to go spend that because you have to go pay man to sift through garbage. That means the man there all a river and a sift through garbage truck. Be a wasted food. poorest people in the world make the top 5. United Nations, I say, all this time them are worried about finding food and how they go find food, and I realize over $1 trillion food get wasted. If less food get wasted, then less food wouldn't have to find. It's common sense. 1/5 of all the food maker get dash way. Man, it's a dash way food, so. But you would think that would only be the Americans and the British and the Qatar and them place there. Cause they have it for dash way, right? Look at little Jamaica. World leaders in food wastage. And most of the urban places them use it, and they bring in rural Jamaica where man have breadfruit and banana, drop off a tree and a dash bang down. They'll probably go number 1. That's just urban. Food wastage. 4th on the list. Almost £200. Just a couple pound difference from the Arabs who are oil rich. Poorest people in the world can't find the money. If you dash way. See, people talk about the food prices so dear and the groceries so dear. I don't know how to dash it where. Tell you one of those love complaining them. That I realize Jamaicans love complain. They want to stay up on the plantation and complain. They actually want to solve the problem, you know. Because when you show them how you solve the problem, when you say, hey, this is the system, and this is the actual system, this is the machine, they're like, yo, I don't want you that, what's okay, mama? What they want to do is stay up on the plantation and complain, just like in the olden days. So it make no sense, yo, I don't want upset master dog, because at least we have food and shelter. So I say something, they say, me we are still in the boat. We're not the day because we stay as a dog. Me as a dog because. And then when them stay there now, then they complain about the whips, and then complain about the pressure, and then complain about the sun hot, and then can't manage this, but they now left the plantation. I don't want to see plantation go down either. I see thing there, man. Everything they complain about, man. And when they say, right, but this, yo, me don't want you to go suck him on, you bad man, let the man alone. So that me realize, people just love complain. And people complain every day about groceries and food and this and that. And while I lead the world in dash way food. I complain about the groceries, and I complain about the fruits, and I complain about this and that there and this and that, and I dash away. And I dash so much food as quote unquote madman in Jamaica. Right. Can sift through garbage and full in belly. Have you ever realized in Jamaica, even the quote unquote madman, they say quote unquote because none of them are actually mentally ill. Some of them just homeless. But you know Jamaican is a madman. Even the quote unquote madman in Jamaica and a skeleton. You ever realize that? I've seen overweight homeless people in Jamaica. You can't make this up, you know. You have to take bad things and make joke. I've seen overweight madman in Jamaica, you know. Overweight homeless people. Man not know if to live and they overweight. That means they might take in a surplus of calories every day. Where then calories they come from? The garbage. He can go through the garbage and full in belly so much that his belly get all big. I know where for living now. That's how much food Jamaicans dash with. That's the quote unquote madman can sift through the garbage and eat 3,000 calories a day. Eat till in belly busting, lie down in care for move. When you look at see in one corner, curl up. Right? Curl up in the fetal position. The amount of food they eat out of the garbage. Fascinating. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay certain. Blessed.